see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Are you still indecisive about what you're going to wear for Valentine's Day? Thought you had a look, but now you second guessing it? Well, this is the haul for you, because Shein showed out. And I want to show you 4 banging looks that are definitely going to tickle your fancy, and how you looking through your closet for something similar, or trying to make a rush delivery so you can get your order just in time. I'm Dr. Coco_Curves on all of my social media platforms. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And head on over to all of my platforms and show your girl some love. And now, without any further delay, let's hop into this week's Plus Size Slay. Let's go look at some looks from Shein Curve. Okay, Shein, I see how y'all coming this Valentine's Day. I see y'all, baby. I promise you, every time I try on a dress that make me feel like such a voluptuous, statuesque Amazon baddie, I wish I wasn't in Iowa. Because, baby, the slay that this dress is giving, baby, your girl got body, okay? Yes, I have on shapewear, but, baby, I look good. I look good. This orange number from Shein is absolutely gorgeous. From head to toe, every piece of it I'm in love with. This fabric, oh, and I know that I got this dress on some kind of sale. I know I did. I feel like I got this on a flash sale too, and that's what made me make this order. All of the dresses came from a flash sale order. The top, as you can see, is made to look like a corset bustier style, like it actually has boning in it, but don't worry. There's no boning in here, so it's not going to poke you, pinch you, or anything like that. This whole open chest area, baby, the wrong weather and your ass is catching pneumonia with this on. But, baby, that pneumonia is worth every bit of this slay. Let me move this ponytail, because I really do want you guys to get a full look of just the, yes. And then these sleeves, the way that the sleeves sit, it's perfect for my girls who may not feel comfortable with their arms out, but still want to show a nice décolletage, a nice chest. This dress has so much going on. First of all, it's a baddie midi. Baby, the length on here, it's the extended midi, okay? It comes down to the bottom of my calf. I love that. Not only am I 5'9", but y'all see these heels? Baby, it's giving tall, and we still got a dress that come all the way down to the ankles. I love it. The corset style look detail here, love that. The open chest area, open décolletage, love that. Then come on to the back. Come on to the back with me. Bam, baby. Y'all see that open cutout? Ooh, baby, it's showing just enough back, but still have enough back covered up, because you cannot see my bra. You cannot see anything. That keyhole cutout, so sexy. Yes. Somebody needs to go and buy this dress, okay? Because I need somebody in like a big city to slay this dress, okay? Because, ooh, I feel so pretty. And on top of that, this tangerine, this deep orange, is not clashing with my pink hair. I would still wear this orange dress, but you see, get into the details, because I toned down the accessories, sort of, kind of, so you can really focus on the dress and the hair. So we have this clutch, this $100 bill clutch that I got from a brand deal I did. With this bag, you can do gold or silver hardware, because the trimming hardware on the bag is rose gold. Then it has this golden orange detail in the money area. So you could actually go with a silver or a gold, but I decided to keep it gold. We have these teardrop earrings that I'm absolutely obsessed with. These are my little Tiffany inspired pieces. And then we have these shoes. Y'all recognize these shoes from last week's haul, because I got them from Torrid and styled them a certain way for the last haul. We just did the Pretty Little Things haul. Make sure y'all go watch. I'm very comfortable in this 4XL. I feel like it definitely fits like a true to size 3XL, and I love it. I love it. I have no complaints. It was very easy to get into. The one thing that I want to tell you guys about is on the back, there are 2 buttons, and that's how the collar is made like a choker collar, because there are 2 buttons back there. Now, I did attempt to unbutton them, and because of my nails, buttoning them back up just wasn't going to happen. So I ended up buttoning them, and the way that this stretch, baby, the 5% stretch is there, okay? The 5% stretch, she's there. And I'm going to tell you how I know she's there, because this collar stretched over my braids and my head, and is still holding a choker-like detail. It's not stretched out or anything like that. It was effortless to get into. It slid on like butter, baby. I look so damn, ooh, girl. A meal and a snack and a snack and a meal, baby. You hungry?
T-shirt and my panties on. Need to. T-shirt and my panties on. I should be only one around. T-shirt and my panties on.
I'm her. She. Shake a lick, kiss me. Baby, because that's how I feel in this dress. Baby, is it the men in my life or the life in my men, baby? Okay, now look. I want a single woman to wear this, okay? Because a married woman might hide her husband in the club fighting in this dress, baby. This latex baddie is a latex baddie, okay? Now, this is a size 4XL from Shein, and baby, I am in love. Originally, I said I was going to stay away from latex because of the smell when you get it, but I'm highly impressed because I have 2 latex pieces in this haul, and neither one of them smell bad. And I am so happy about that, because I don't care how many dryer sheets you put on that latex, that shit still lingers. Now, I am loving this. This is a latex number, so it's definitely gonna, but it was still easy to glide into. I'm doing this, but I actually pulled it down over my head, and I love this. Now, my only complaint are the cups. I do wish that, as you can see, it's got a lot of cup done spilleth over, okay? But that's really my only issue. I wish the cups were a little bit bigger. That's the only thing. But if you wear a black push-up bra, a black strapless underneath here, you won't even have that problem. And did y'all see when I turned around? None of my bra is showing. None of my bra. The back part comes up very high. My bra is here, and the top of the dress is here. It's got my back fat covered up, and I know if I pull it up a little bit, it'll take care of that too. Now, another thing to know about latex, especially when you're dealing with latex that has a high split, is that it will ride throughout the night. So you are going to have to kind of adjust it just a little bit throughout the night, so that you won't have it sitting all the way up here, the hoo-ha beat and fell out and all of that. But I feel like it's worth it. I feel like it's worth it. I feel like I've had to tug on outfits that were less cute. So I'm still here for it. The straps are even adjustable, and the bra area has boning in it, you guys. It has boning. This is a very structured top area, and I was really shocked at the fact that these straps were adjustable. I didn't have to adjust them when I put it on, but it's good to note that they are adjustable in case you need to. I paired this with these cute frames, also from Shein. If you saw my last vlog, then you saw me try these on, and I am obsessed. I went for blue so I could wear these electric blue glasses, and I, of course, because I'm a stylist, this is what I do. Of course, I had the matching purse to go with it. And I paired it with these crystal shoes. Oh, loving on these crystal shoes. But I love this dress. Okay, y'all 2 for 2 on the looks, baby. For the body that I'm serving in them, let me give y'all a moment, okay? Let me give y'all a moment to get into this, okay? She's serving Black Barbie, okay?
T-shirt and my panties, got my t-shirt and my panties on. Picture this, I'm in my bed, body's hot, soaking wet.
Baby, I got my dress on now. Oh, your girl done found a pink number for Valentine's Day, and of course I had to snag it. This sheer pink dress is beautiful. Extremely lightweight, size 4XL, with the cutest split, just enough to show the thigh tattoo, but not enough to the point you're going to have to keep pulling it down because you're uncomfortable because it keeps riding. I love this. Now, I do have on shapewear, and it is skin tone shapewear, and I highly recommend that if you're going to be someone wearing sheer, that you invest in some skin tone shapewear for dresses like this. Now, in the back, as you can see, it comes all the way up. My back fat is covered up. My bra is covered up. Everything is covered up. We good to go. The booty, she's bootying. Baby, your girl looking thick and cute. Now, one thing I will say is that this dress does not have any adjustments in the straps. You don't have any adjusters on here. So, as you can see, it's hanging like this because, honestly, I got tired of pulling it up as I kept walking back and forth trying to get my content done before I started recording. But nevertheless, I still think this is a beautiful dress. Now, it is completely covered in dark pink hearts. To be 100% honest, I can't really tell if this is like a dark pink or if this is red hearts covered in a pink dress. But either way, I think it's gorgeous. I paired it with this cute lip-shaped black clutch. So cute. And again, we have our bedazzled toe, chunky, strappy ankle heels. Love them. And I got on my Lorvet shades. Love them. It's just giving pink on pink on pink. And I'm here for it. The dress actually has a really nice stretch to it. And then it also has a layer underneath where the chests are to give you a little bit of extra camouflage in what is really a sheer dress. You can wear this in at any time of the year. I know it's got hearts on it, but you can definitely wear this as a summer dress. It doesn't necessarily have to be strictly for Valentine's Day. On the sides, what you'll notice is this extra seam here that leads into the split. I like that because what it's doing is it's holding the split in place. So I don't have to worry about the split twisting or moving from the position that it's in. It's going to stay right there in that thigh knee area where I need it to be.
Bragging up the things I like to do. I'm open wide when it comes to freaking you. Imagine me, where can be between my legs. You're tasting me.
Okay, Coco Cutie, so this is the last look from Shein, and I have to give Shein 5 stars across the board. I have really enjoyed this haul. Every look was a slay. Every dress fit well, and they were all 4XLs. I did go back and check the tag, which means that these are the biggest sizes that were available. Now we have another faux leather number. I wouldn't consider this latex. I would consider this more of a faux leather material, and it didn't have any stench, didn't have any odor to it. I really like it. It's got a really nice stretch to it. It's got a really nice sheen to it as well. The bottom though, even though it looks like it, fits really good, it actually is it fits a little loose on me. Like, I feel like it's not as snug as I would like it to be, especially considering the fact that I can't wear shapewear, because this split, baby, oh, she's right there. She's like literally right there. When we turn to the back, everything is covered up very well. Nothing is hanging out. Everything, the whole back is covered because this is a long sleeve. It's not backless or anything. There are no keyhole cutouts to worry about, any fat slipping out, I guess. And I like it. I feel like I'm giving sexy biker chick's girlfriend or, biker chick's wife or something. I love it. The only thing that I wish, the bra area, the place where your boobs go, I wish it was a little bit longer, because right down underneath, I feel like my wiring is going to start showing, but that's okay because it's black, so it's going to still camouflage well. And when I went to lift the bra up into it more, then at that point you can see the bra from the top. So it's like, do you want the bra to be seen more from the bottom or from the top? You make that decision on your own level of comfort. If you have chests that are, well, I'm a 44 double D, so if you have chests that are this size or bigger, it has some really, really good stretch to it, the entire dress. Now, as far as shapewear, you can't go too high up as far as your undergarments, because then they're gonna be visible because of this cutout right here, which I absolutely love. I feel like the sexy is laid on thick with this dress. Like this cutout here, all of this leg showing, like thigh tattoo visible. Give me a cute little ankle bracelet, and I got my little strappy heels on. Baby, I love it. And of course I paired it with pink bag and shoes, both from Shein. So because both of these are from Shein too, I'll go ahead and link them below so you can have links to the whole outfit. And these glasses, these glasses are from Tory. I was going to say, damn, I think they came from Shein too. No, but they are from Tory. Now let me tell you, I already feel like this faux leather is a little warm. Even with this split right here, for some reason, it's still a little warm. The arms were really good to get into. The stretch made this very easy to get into. I definitely feel like this meets my 5% stretch requirement because it was easy to get on. And so I have no complaints. This haul was lit. Like low key, even though this is one of the shortest hauls that I've done in a while, it was lit. It was lit. The looks have been looking, okay? Inbox me so I can style you, so your looks can be looking too, okay? Because the looks I create are available for rent, okay? Message me for more information.
Boy, when you get here, you know my love will overflow. And you ain't got to worry about my clothes. Cause I got my t-shirt and my panties on. Just how you like it. T-shirt and my panties on.
If you made it to the end of this video, you're not going to sit here and tell me that you didn't see at least one look that ain't, at least one look that was an absolute slay. Then what are you waiting for? Go shop, because you know I left the links in the description box below. Then come on back to the comment section and let me know what you purchased. Or if your cart was already full and this video made you go ahead and click submit and place that order. I'm Dr. Coco_Curves. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Press that bell notification so you always know when I'm uploading a new slay. And I feel like it was something else. No, that's it. Go shop. Bye.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.